If you have a weak jawline, asymmetrical face, double chin, or even hollow cheekbones, you need to hear this. Mewing is a technique developed over 50 years ago by British orthodontist Dr. John Mew. It's a practice where you rest your tongue on the roof of your mouth to improve facial structure, breathing, and sleep. While some view it as a natural alternative to jaw surgery, skeptics question its effectiveness. Research and anecdotal evidence suggest it can indeed make a difference, though results vary. At Mewing.Coach, we're fully on board with the power of mewing, seeing firsthand the transformation in our app users. It's not just about getting that sharp jawline, it's about saying goodbye to double chins, bringing out those cheekbones, enhancing your face's overall structure, and even scoring those sought-after hunter eyes. Our daily dose of before and after shots doesn't lie. Mewing truly works. Many of you might wonder, how long does it take to achieve such results from mewing? Well, it varies. Adults might notice changes within 3 to 6 months, while younger individuals could see results even sooner. If you're feeling a bit anxious about trying mewing, let me put your mind at ease. The risks are pretty low, but there's a catch. Doing it wrong could throw you off course. So how do you mew correctly? It all starts with your tongue. Proper mewing involves several steps, starting from making it a habit to achieving proper tongue, teeth, and lip position, and finally ensuring correct body posture and embracing nasal breathing. Step 1 is making mewing a habit. Like any new skill, the key to success is consistency. You'll want to practice mewing every day to see improvements. It can take a few weeks to form this habit, but don't worry, the effort is well worth it. The Mewing.Coach app is a lifesaver here, offering a personalized workout plan, step-by-step video guides, and handy tips. Plus, with daily reminders and simple progress tracking, it's never been easier to stay motivated and weave these exercises into your daily life. Make sure to check the link in the description to download the app. Next, step 2 focuses on developing a proper tongue posture. This is the cornerstone of mewing. Start by closing your mouth and placing your tongue against the roof. The goal is to distribute the pressure evenly across your entire tongue, not just the tip. Moving on to step 3, let's talk about achieving the proper teeth position. Your molars should lightly touch and your jaw should be relaxed. This prevents teeth clenching and ensures your mewing efforts are effective. For step 4, we adjust the lips. They should be together but not pressed hard. This helps maintain the position of your tongue and teeth, reinforcing the mewing technique. Step 5 is all about the jaw and jawline position. With the correct tongue and teeth position, your jaw will naturally align itself. Ensure your chin is slightly tucked, promoting a stronger jawline appearance. Before we continue to the next step, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell. Your support means everything to us, and it's what keeps us going, bringing you more awesome content just like this. Then we have step 6, focusing on the nose position. Good overall posture includes your nose too. Make sure it's pointed straight ahead, facilitating better breathing and reinforcing proper mewing posture. Step 7 is ensuring correct body posture. Standing or sitting straight with your head held high and shoulders back not only supports mewing, but improves your overall health and appearance. Lastly, step 8 is embracing nasal breathing. This might take some getting used to, especially if you're a habitual mouth breather. Nasal breathing supports the mewing posture and has numerous health benefits, including improved sleep and reduced snoring. Now, if you're aiming to speed up your results, there are exercises you can pair with mewing. These include hard mewing and exercises for the jaw and facial muscles to complement your mewing efforts. Once again, the Mewing.Coach app is an incredible resource for anyone looking to up their facial fitness game. With its vast collection of exercises designed for chin shaping, face sculpting, neck tightening, and achieving that chiseled jawline, it's got everything you need. Plus, it's perfect for correcting your posture and improving face symmetry. So don't forget to hit up the link in the description to discover everything the app has to offer. To mew correctly, position your tongue flat against your palate and ensure your molars lightly touch with a relaxed jaw. Keep your lips together, your jawline firm, and your chin slightly tucked. Your nose should point straight, maintaining proper head and body posture. Embrace nasal breathing for overall health benefits. Finally, make practicing these steps a daily habit for noticeable improvements with Mewing.Coach. So there you have it. Start incorporating these steps into your daily routine, and with patience and consistency, you'll begin to see the benefits. If you've tried Mewing or have any questions, drop us a comment below. We love hearing from you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our updates. Also, check out Mewing.Coach App. The link is in the description below. Happy mewing, and see you in the next video.